or 300, any person can change his life, his or her life. Of course, believe, pwede nyo na ma-realize yung mga dreams. Maraming technicalities, hindi naman perfect ang technology, I would have to admit. Pero hindi yun major roadblock para ma-achieve ng success. The fact that there are millionaires in this company despite the issues of technology and technicality proves to you na hindi problema yun. And that kahit sila, na-solve nila yung problema na yun. At kaya sila nag-i-enjoy ng magandang buhay. Kasi pag problema yun ng malaki ang problema, hindi nyo siya malusolve. Kailangan natin pagtulungan yun. Nandito naman kami para kumilos, ayusin yun, baguhin. And the fact that from day one na tinayo namin itong company hanggang ngayon, and now we have a 24/7 CRMD and we're proud of it, means that merong pagbabago. Hindi lahat ng bagay na daily stagnant. So, nandun po tayo sa pagtutulungan na yun. Alam nyo, itong kumpanyang to, lalaki pa at magiging mas maganda kung tutulong kayo sa pagbibigay ng feedback sa amin. Kasi pagka talagang alam namin na hindi kayo satisfied lang sa servisyo, eh syempre may kailangan may gawin para maging satisfied kayo. Pero never give up on something that's really good. Yun lang, never give up on something that's really good. So, with that, I'd like to thank Team Renaissance, Mr. Ingo Hansen. Kung meron lang trophy, bibigay ko sa kanya. Kasi selfless act na to eh. Well, hindi naman natin binabayaran si Mr. Ingo Hansen by doing this. But I think one time when we had talk, sabi niya, hindi ko nga Pilipino to eh. Naanuhan lang ng jeans na. Did you understand that? Sorry, I don't. So, meron siyang feeling na sabi niya gusto niya tumulong sa Pilipino. Siguro dahil kay Miss Anne, kanyang better half. So, with that, nagsimula sila mag-volunteer na maintindihan ng tao yung my turf. I will have to admit, with so many ideas, innovation in our minds, and very few people that I have na sinisimulan namin kunin ngayon, magbuo kami ng team, structure, mas mabilis ko kayong lumalaki kaysa sa dapat namin gawin. No? Alright, so with that, humihingi ako ng tulong. Kaya yung tulong na nagkagaling kila Mr. Ingo Hansen is really, I really highly appreciate that. And the reason why I'm here now, tagal ko na hindi tumutungtong sa LEDs na to eh. If you can call this a stage, pwede rin. Now, matagal-tagal na rin ho yan because I started presenting MITRE a couple of, I think 1 year, more than a year ago. And I think this Saturday, if I will enjoy this, and I'm enjoying this now, magsisimula ko tayo maging regular para naman supportahan natin, malaman ng tao yung MITRE. A lot of things will change this year. Even the materials, even the business faculty using. And we want to go global. So even that, we are prepared. Your team, your management team is working hard to come up with products you deserve. When we say product and program, yung talagang para sa inyo. So, yun lang po masasabi ko ngayong umaga. Salamat sa time na i-spend nyo kahit na kayo ay mga technopreneurs and just to understand MITRE. Now, I'm ready to actually accept questions. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung mga technical issues, no? There are proper venues for that. Pwede kayo mag-complain, pwede natin isulat. Makakarating sa amin lahat yan. In fact, they're helping us. That's the reason why we have a very good relationship with Smart Communication and Globe. Alam nyo rin na meron tayong special denomination, right? Announce yan, no? MITRE, itong MITRE program ito, number 1 na susuporta dito ay yung special product na ginagawa namin ngayon with Smart. Para sa kaalaman nyo lang po, because of our performance last year, si Smart gumawa ng exclusive product only for V-Mobile. Hindi nyo mabibili ito sa tindahan, kundi mabibili nila sa mga techno user at techno-entrepreneurs. Ay, by the way, hindi ito binibenta. Okay? This product is just for techno users and techno-entrepreneurs. If you're not enrolled, you can have this product. Ano yung product? Let me just describe briefly. Magkakaroon tayo ng Smart 500. Of course, may Smart 500 sa labas, di ba? Pero itong Smart 500 na to, pag binili nyo sa V-Mobile, it's an electronic load, no? So over the air, you will have unlimited texting to all network for 30 days. Okay? 30 days. And you will have 90 minutes calling time, all network. Kasama na ng 500. If you look into the different product denominations that Smart have o Smart offers, wala kayong makikita ganong product of the same value. Meaning, yung bucket service na nag-o-offer ng airtime, saka all text, text-to-all network, unlimited for 30 days. Wala kayong makikita. So yung 500 na yun is uniquely ours. The denominations are 300 and 500. Now, meron tayong Empower SIM. It will yung denomination na yun, once na binili nyo, yung special denom, nandun yung since the special the Empower SIM features yung special gateway, tapos sinasabi namin using the Empower SIM dapat wala ng cost in sending. Because of that dino, pagkakapadala na kayo ng command, wala ng cost in sending, right? Kasi practically you're unlimited for a day, for 30 days. So kahit personal or sending, transacting, nandun yun. Now, the reason why we brought to you the unlimited texting plus yung Empower SIM is because of the demand or the clamor for faster transaction. Gusto nila, hindi na sila nagka-type ng keyword. Well, menu-based. Kayo naman ang nag-define nun sa amin. So, dinala namin yan sa inyo. That is because few years ago, or maybe more than a year ago, ang clamor ng tao kasi nag-retail sila. So, lumabas na yung Empower SIM to ensure a better service. Pero gusto ko namin sabihin sa inyo, don't miss the main point. Don't focus on retailing. Tingnan nyo mabuti kung para ko lang ako, just to make the point. Sino mas madalas na sa gumagamit ng servisyo? Yung techno user na naglo-load lang ng kailangan niya o yung techno user na nagbebenta ng load? Sino mas madalas gumagamit? Siyempre, nagbebenta ng load, di ba? And if you compare the ratio, mga siguro 20 times to 30 times more na ginagamit ng techno user na nagbebenta yung serbisyo kumpara sa techno user na bumibili lang when needed. Alright? Or kapag ang tawag namin doon ay incidental retailers, yung nagbebenta, niloloadan niya sarili niya or niloloadan niya yung circle of friends or family. Kinumpara namin yun. Sabi namin, we have a platform capable of doing universal prepaid loading. Pero yung utilization ng platform kapag ginagamit ng retailers, okay kami, masaya kami kung kumikita sila. Average 10%. Average. Kumikita kayo sa pagbibenta ng load. Pero tanong, di mayaman ba kayo? Bumenta kayo ng 100,000 a month, you'll earn 10,000 pesos. And earning 10,000 a month is nice. Correct? Tanong, 10,000 pesos extra. Tanong, kaya niyo bang bumenta ng 100,000 every month? And in an area, in a territory, ma-achieve niyo ba yun? Depende yun sa pwesto niyo. Siguro dapat nasa MRT kayo para bumenta kayo ng mga 150,000 a month or 300,000. Wala man kayo sa MRT. Nandun lang kayo sa village nyo, either nandun kayo sa tindahan. You have to analyze these things para makita nyo kung saan yung chance nyo of growth. Kasi kung ang pinag-uusapan natin lagi dito sa opisina, sa V-Mobile, ay financial freedom, wealth building, then you got to realize, magsisimula kayo ng analysis sa inyo. Kasi yung programa, ina-analyze nyo, para sa akin ba itong programa na to? I'm sure na-invite kayo dito ng mga techno-user, technopreneur friends nyo. Nung kumupo kayo, tapos narinig yung maraming milyonaryo na nag-drive ng kotse nila, na nagtatayo ng bahay nila, maganda na kumukuha ng mga condos. Inisip nyo mabuti, pang ilang beses na ba ako nakaupo rito, ilang beses na ako na-invite sa ganitong programa? Tama ba? Tapos, sasabihin nyo rin sa sarili nyo, marami na rin akong sinilinan, hindi rin ako yumaman. Ano kaya itong chance na yayaman ako dito? Tama ba? Ganun na kayo nagtatanong, right? Pero nung naintindihan nyo na yung in-offer namin universal prepaid loading, at may produkto kami, I am sure, iniisip nyo rin, paano ko kikita ng, pinakita nila dito, kikita ka ng 2 million something in a year. Or 200,000 after 2 months. Realistic ba yun sa akin? So pag ang concept nyo, ay magbibenta ako ng load. Akakala nyo, yaman kayo sa magbenta ng load. Pwedeng totoo, pwedeng mali. Depende sa pwesto nyo. Kung ang pwesto nyo ay hindi parang MRT, huwag nyo nang isipin yayaman kayo sa pagbibenta ng load. The correct concept is, starting from now, do what MVP, Henry C, Gokong Wei is doing. And what is that? building your network of consumer where you can draw overrides. Imagine nyo ngayon, isipin nyo mabuti, sa bahay, gumagamit kayong kuryente, kumikita si MVP. Gumagamit kayong telepono, kumikita si MVP. Uminom kayo ng tubig, filtered or what, kumikita si MVP. Lahat ng bagay, kumikita si Ayala, kumikita si MVP, si NBC. And because they have effectively established a system for leveraging. Yung sa atin, hindi natin may kukumpara sa kanila kasi bilyonaryo na sila. I got an information, I think MVP is earning something like 37,000 pesos every second.
Oh.
Count that for how much yun. It was just shared to me by a friend. Based on the number of business companies that he has acquired, he is earning something like 37,000 pesos a second. Hindi mo nakaka-ingit yun? Diba? But what will you do with a lot of money? I know money is not the source. Hindi lang yan ang pinagmumula ng kaligayahan. Tama ba? But helping other people is definitely one source of happiness. And I think being just a consumer that we are, kung meron tayong creative way of coming together so we can earn, then this is it. I'm not saying this is the only way of acquiring wealth, but this is a good idea. And you don't have to be staying at the bottom. Lagi lang ho kayong magiging nasa ilalim kung hindi kayo mag-establish ng network nyo. Yun ho yung yun yung katotohanan doon. So kung hindi kayo gagawa ng network nyo, again, nandun lang kayo sa bottom. If you want to be on top, then create your network of consumers. Yun ang key dito sa programa na to. Whether MyLX or MyTurf, ang key is to be on top. And to be on top, you start endorsing the business to other people. So for 2012, we've got a lot of best things to happen. Kaya welcome po kayo. Okay, question and answer tayo.